morning, everyone. Let's continue to learn the providence of restoration in Abraham's family, section 3. So we are now in 3.1.2.3, Isaac's position and his symbolic offering in the sight of God. So through the success of Isaac's offering, Abraham and Isaac attained inseparable oneness in their fidelity to God's will. So after their divine mission had passed from Abraham to Isaac, Abraham offered the ram provided by God as the substitute of Isaac. So in fact, this was the symbolic offering by which Isaac restored the foundation of faith. So we are now in 3.2, the foundation of substance. So to establish the foundation for the Messiah in Isaac's family, the foundation of substance set to be laid next. So for this purpose, Isaac's sons Esau and Jacob had to be placed in the divided position of Cain and Abel. So respectively, by making the substantial offering, they were responsible for to fulfill the indemnity condition to remove the fallen nature and the foundation of substance. So about Jacob's restoration of Abel's position through indemnity. So number one, in fight to restore the birthright of the eldest son on the individual level, Jacob cleverly obtained it from Esau in exchange for some bread and a pottage of lentils. Number two is Jacob went to Haran, which represent the satanic world after suffering through 21 years of drudgery. He restored the birthright by gaining family and wealth at his due inheritance. And the last, number three, Jacob triumphed in wrestling with an angel at the ford of Jabbok, thereby restoration dominion over the angel in substantial struggle. This way, Jacob restored to indemnity the position of Abel. So about the establishment of the foundation of substance. So when Esau opened his arms and affectionately welcomed Jacob, as he returned to Canaan, they fulfilled the indemnity condition to remove the fallen nature. So the victory restored to indemnity horizontally in one family. The long vertical course of history in which God had been working to restore the foundation of substance. Okay, everybody, this is all for today. Bye, everyone.